Hello students, I am Pinky Shah and today we are going to learn about nouns, or we also call it as naming words. Everything in the world has names, isn't it? You look around and that's a name for everything. This thing is called bottle. This is called as pen. My name is Pinky and I am a teacher. So you look around yourself and there is a name to everything. And all names or naming words are called nouns. So noun is the name of person, place, animal, thing. Noun is the name of person, place, animal, thing. We'll see one example. Nikki and her dog are playing with football in the garden. So there are so many things and person in this one picture. First of all, Nikki. Who is Nikki? Nikki is a person. So Nikki, a person, is a noun. Nikki and her dog are playing football in the garden. Where are they playing? In the garden. And garden is what? A place. So place, a garden, is also a noun. Nikki and her dog are playing with football in the garden. Nikki and her dog, which is an animal. Dog is a name for an animal. So that is also a noun. Nikki and her dog are playing with football in the garden. Football is a name for thing. So that is also a noun. Moving ahead. So a teacher is a naming word for person. A naming word for person is teacher. So that becomes noun. Another naming word for person are artist. An artist is a person, right? Chef, also again a person. Farmer, soldier, gardener, tailor, baker. All these are name given to person, and so these all are noun. School is a naming word for place. School is a place, right? It is a place where we go to study. So it is a name or a naming word given to place. Another name for places like Paris, home, park, China, America, beach, stadium, India, Ahmedabad, garden, park. All these are the naming words or names for places, and that's why all these are noun. Cat, dog. These are the names or the naming word for animal. We have different kinds of animal, but we don't say all of them as just animal. We have given different names to different animals. So all these names are called as noun. For example, elephant, fox, tiger, gorilla, rhinoceros, giraffe, deer. These are the names for different animals, and so these are nouns. Chair is a naming word for thing. This chair is a thing and the name of that thing is chair. So this chair becomes noun. Bag, clock, ball, globe, table, book, computer. All these are things, right? And we have given different names to different things. So this becomes your noun. This is pen. It is a name given to this thing. It is a pen. So this is thing. This thing is called bottle and the name of this thing is bottle. So this is noun. So we have given different names to different things. So let's revise. A noun is a name of person, place, animal, thing. Let's practice. Underline the word which are noun. We will underline the word which are noun in these sentences. You all will do along with me. First, a fox saw a bunch of grapes. Here we have fox because it's an animal. Animal, it's a noun. Animal which has been named fox. Grapes, it's a thing, right? It's a name given to a thing, a fruit. So this is again a noun. Number 2, my ring is made up of gold. Ring, again a thing which is named ring. Gold, noun. Number 3, always speak the truth. Here the truth is noun. Can you see the air? Here air is a thing which is a noun. The horses eat grass. Here horse is an animal which is a noun and grass is a thing which is again a noun. I hope you understand and enjoyed it. Thank you.